Keep trains running at their best, that's what we do. Hello, I'm Tim Coble from Danobat North America, and today I'm here at our global headquarters. Today I want to show you how we keep trains running. At Danobat, we just don't deliver machines. We take full ownership of the entire project. From the concept to the installation, we handle everything. So you don't have to worry about civil works, replacement, or even integration. While others deliver you equipment, we stay close, responding fast and always moving forward with you. This is where it all comes to life. Our railway portfolio includes the underfloor wheel lathe, single and tandem, portal wheel lathes, and our wheel boring machines. They are designed to keep your operations running efficiently day after day. With decades of experience, we combine proven reliability with close, responsive service, and our customer expects. If you are looking for a reliable partner with efficiency and railway solutions, Danobat is ready. We'll keep you on track.